Assalamu alaikum students, I'm your online teacher. Hope you would be fine at your homes. So students, today's class is about creativity and innovation. And today's topic is animals. So students, if you remember, हमने last time birds को देखा था. आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा है animals, जानवर. So let's see हमने क्या करना है. Find out the names of given pet animals. Yes friends, आज हमने pet animals के names find out करने हैं इस puzzle में से. So let's start. Okay students, हम start कैसे करेंगे? हम पहले देखते हैं हमारे पास कौन सा pet animal है. Dog. Yes. So let's search the dog and the puzzle. So where is the dog? Dog. Yes, students, here is a D-O-G, dog. Yes, we find out the dog. Then we have cow. So where is the cow? Let's find out. Find out students, where is the cow? Where is the cow? Yes, students, C-O-W. Yes. Then we have duck. So find out the duck, friend. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Duck. Yes, there's a duck. D-U-C-K. Yes. And in the second last we have goat. So let's find out the goat. Find out friends. Where is the goat? Yes, there is a goat. D-G-O-A-T, goat. And in the last we have cat. So let's find out the cat. Yes, friends, we find the cat. C-A-T, cat. So with this we found the pet animal's name in the puzzle, and with this we have done our lecture also. So see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.